Today I'm making strawberry cheesecake muffins. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 bag of the strawberry cheesecake muffin mix. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of milk and mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese that I cut into cubes. Next just mix that up. Next I have a muffin pan with liners in it. I'm going to add a scoop of the strawberry cheesecake muffin mix into each muffin. Then I'm going to put the muffins to the side and make the crumb topping. Now I have a bowl with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Next add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then a half a cup of flour. Next add 1/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts. Then mix that up until it's combined. Next add a scoop of the crumb mixture onto each muffin and bake this at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Once the muffins came out of the oven, I sprinkled them with some powdered sugar, and here's an up-close look.